God.
We need malt vinegar.
Do we have malt vinegar? Do we even have malt vinegar? Let me check if we do. Well, why don't you go check? So I really want to.
We have white vinegar.
White vinegar?
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, we got it. We got white vinegar. No vinegar. It kind of looks like water, but it's really not. Mom, if you touch the lava, it'll burn your eyes. Now all we have to do is put so when we put that in, it will explode. So, here we go. Oh God. Yeah.
Whoa! Ah! Ah!
It's awesome, isn't it?
Is that it? We'll do it again.
Yeah. 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 Just a little bit. You gotta do more.
All the vinegar came out. Is it supposed to be that watery, or is it supposed to be more foamy?
I think it's supposed to be more foamy, cause
Neato. Pretty snazzy.
fill the whole plate up with it.